Puerto Rico.
Wow.
Next to her. Old San Juan, Puerto Rico. Girl trip. Memories to be made. You heard them say "oh" too. Yeah. This is really the ghetto at its finest.
The what?
The ghetto. Yeah. What? Be like in the movies, they go like, and then the whole shit come back.
Morning everybody. So today is our first full day here in Puerto Rico. We got here about 1:40 yesterday. From the time that we landed to get in the rental car, that was like a 4-hour process. Once we got here, we kind of just chilled at the Airbnb. I knocked out really early at like 9 o'clock, but right now it's about 8 in the morning. But today on our agenda, we are going to a rainforest. We're also doing horseback riding in the rainforest. And then we're going to come back this way for the rest of the night. I think we're just going to find somewhere to eat dinner and then maybe explore what's around our Airbnb, because there is a strip that's like this way that has like a whole bunch of food, bar, restaurants, all of that. And then we are walking distance to a beach as well. So we may go to the beach tonight. Right now, we all just need to get ready. The horseback riding in the rainforest, I think it's at 11. And we have to be there 30-45 minutes before. And since it was dark last night, I didn't want to do an Airbnb tour because the lighting was horrible. So I will go ahead and show you the Airbnb. So I'm outside the front door right now. This is just our rental car parking garage that we get for the car. Then right here is the front door. So right when you walk in, this is the room that me and my Alicia are staying in. As you can see, we slept in it already. There's a little couch area right beside it. Here in the corner, there is some artwork and then a little table. We also have a sink, little area right here, mini fridge, and then some more drawers and cabinets. This is our little desk area, and then our closet. I'm vlogging. Hey girl, hey. How was it?
You guys have to come to that beach normally with us. It's so pretty. Not like popular, I guess, so it's like very
nice.
Not a lot of people.
Wow.
Beautiful beach. The water's nice. Like, I'm actually gonna go swimming tomorrow morning.
Did you get drone footage?
No, I was in an authorized zone again.
Just doing a little Airbnb tour. This is our bathroom. Has the shower, toilet, sink, me, towels behind the door. Oh fuck. Step. Here's the living room area, TV. There's the other bedroom. They have their little couch seating area with this cute little dresser. I actually do like that. And then the closet is over that way. Over here is the second bathroom. Is that the light? Okay, so this one is a little smaller, but it has everything. So it has the medicine cabinet, toilets over here in this corner, and then the shower is actually around this corner, which is really cute. Towels. Outdoor seating area. There's the beautiful. Hello! How was it?
It was so nice. There were people out there, but it was a lot.
Did y'all take pictures?
We did.
Oh my gosh. So this is our kitchen area. Here we just have the microwave, the stove, sink, then all these cabinets down here. We have our fridge, all our glasses on top. This window actually opens up. There's no screen on the other side, so we try to keep it closed just because of mosquitoes. And then over here is our dining area. So I love the setup and the color palette of this room. We just have the chairs. We have a console or dresser over here, more chairs, and then a little side table. Give me a review of the, what is it?
Lemon ginger juice.
Okay.
It's so good. There's lemon and the ginger, but there's also like some honey in it.
Ooh.
It's like so refreshing and sweet.
Got my chai as always, but this is with almond milk. It's good. It's probably cinnamon that I'm tasting.
Cinnamon, yeah.
Yes, they do. Oh, you got a little one.
Yours little too though.
Don't feel like it.
You're bad. Now I'm just going to ask you.
Cheers. We gotta go through this trail to get to the swimming area. Okay.
Fuck. What was that? No doubt.
Hello.
Hello.
It's raining. I got some spicy rice cakes. So today is our second full day in Puerto Rico, and it's also our last full day. What we have planned for today is going to Old San Juan. We have a boat tour at 5, I believe. After 12 right now, and I just got done getting ready. It's the first time I'm putting makeup on the whole trip, and I know I'm gonna regret it because it's been super hot. I'm just sitting outside right now, waiting for everybody else to get done getting ready. I also haven't talked too much in this vlog. It's just a lot of clips, just montage together. So I hope you guys like that. This is my fit. My hair got wet when we went to the waterfall swimming area yesterday because it also did start raining. But right now it's kind of just a poofy mess, but it doesn't look too bad. So I just put it half up, half down. I just wanted to take you guys along for today, and I hope you guys enjoy it.
It's good. It's good. Good. I've met this at the coffee tree. What a beautiful time.
I know,
what a beautiful
right?
girl.
Oh, you're right here. Okay, let me go in the other room. All right, so it is the last day here in Puerto Rico. We are just trying to tidy up the Airbnb and put all our stuff together and put it in the car so we can go ahead and head to the airport. Yesterday was very eventful. I got as much footage as I could. Towards the end of the night, all of us got tattoos. Just got me a cute little airplane. It's something that I've always wanted. This has been a very eventful trip. I'm very happy with the company that I had. I'm ready to get home. I don't want to do anything. When I get there, I just want to sleep. I'll probably see you when I get back home, or this might be the end. You never know with me. Number. Pain.